All right, my friends, I might be crazy, but I'm taking my car to pick up my $3,200 auction win. It's more comfortable, it gets better gas, and I think I can make it fit. So you're gonna see what I got. You're also gonna see if I can fit it all in my car. I've taken Dalton's seat out of it. Dalton is still asleep. It's really early in the morning, and we're gonna go drive 3 hours south. So let's go. So I left a little early because I figured I'd stop at a thrift store, and I had a thrift store in my GPS that is close to where I'm picking up. And then I see these signs that say estate sale today. I'm at some kind of warehouse complex, if you can see there. And I stopped, and I'm gonna go see what I can find. So they had some nice artwork outside here, but like this painting was at $65. There were some really nice ones. But as I was on my way to haul, I was going to be picky. I got so much, I'm probably not going to have room for it. But, you know, I saw your sign, so I had to stop.
All the Christmas stuff, which is on that wall, well, in a few places, is all 50% off.
Okay.
And then we have an entire warehouse 2 doors down full of Christmas stuff.
Oh, gosh. Okay. I might go down there and look. Do you, where do you guys do your online auctions?
It's through Auctions 50.
I've not heard of that one.
It's my second time around, and it's on auctions50.com.
Okay. That's beautiful. And do I just walk down there and the door's open, or?
No, just let us know if you want to go down.
I'll go. I would like to go look.
Sure.
Since I'm here.
I'm sorry? Thank you.
Hi, how are you? I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Stopping when I shouldn't, but you know.
Hey, we all do that, don't we?
I think so. I'm like, okay. I'm pretty fast. Holy Moses. I don't know how fast I can be at this. And is this like stuff that you guys don't want to auction?
Well, it's 20 families.
Oh my gosh.
Estate sales.
And it's half off?
Yeah, I guess so.
That's what he said.
Is that what he said?
That's what he said. Yeah, I haven't been down here in forever. We used to come down to the Skyway and go fishing.
Oh yeah, that's a great place to fish. So we live right over there, so.
Oh, so you're close. But you still, there's no like annual pass. You still have to like,
Yeah, you have to pay as you
every
go.
time.
It's good for 24 hours though.
So I ended up getting those vintage towels. I got that tablecloth you saw comps for, and I also picked up that $75 Native American purse. I believe it is from the early 1900s and should go for over $500. Not bad stuff. All right, we are here to pick up stuff. I've never been to this auction company. Don't know how it's gonna go. I have 60 long of burger baskets, several lots of glass items, some jewelry, and 3 big Yadros, and I brought my car. It's more comfortable, less gas. Let's go see if we can fit it all in. All right, so I have never been to this auction house, so I had no idea what to expect. I did want to show you guys some footage from inside because there were some really cool things on this auction. If you just look around here, it was a mid-century modern furniture auction primarily, but in this case here right away, I saw some of the items I bought. So those beautiful glass vases are mine, as well as the Murano Latticino bowl that is down below. So some of this is mine from the auction. Now here, when I was waiting for them to pull my invoice up, I saw this daguerreotype. If you do not know these, they are worth hundreds of dollars, so make sure you keep an eye out. Now, over here, I'm not sure who the sculptor of this is, but this is a pretty cool skeleton sculpture. I did not want to pick it up because I didn't want to drop it. Now, these two bowls I bid on, they were worth about $400 to $500. I believe the bidding went over $200, so I bowed out on that. And then I was actually looking at bidding on these lamps, and I'm really glad that I didn't, because I didn't realize how big they were. I was thinking they were like little 6 to 8 inch lamps, and they were pretty big. Now, these are all other items that were in the auction. I did look at all of these. I really wanted to bid on them. These are pre-Columbian pottery, and there were some really nice pieces, and I believe this was a really pretty one from Italy or Portugal. And then look at all of this really cool mid-century modern lamps. Just some really, really awesome pieces. I did not win any furniture. I did bid on some, I will tell you guys. These chairs that you're getting ready to see on the right are probably worth about $300 to $500 a piece. I believe I did bid on those. I did not win, and that artwork is absolutely amazing. So we are waiting for them to pull our stuff, and then we are going to go put stuff in the car. All right, so this is a really cool etching, and these, and then there's that picture I showed inside. These are gonna go in the bottom here of the trunk first, and then they're gonna start bringing stuff out to a table, which is pretty cool. So I'm waiting for them to bring stuff to the table, and then I'm gonna Tetris stuff. All right, so here are all the Longaberger. And what I'm going to do is see what I can stack and what to make this take up less space in the car. But if they don't have movable handles, which a lot do not, it's going to be very hard to stack. But like here, I can take this one, and then this one will go inside of it, theoretically, and take up less space. So that is my plan with this Longaberger. I think I will be fine. And they're starting to bring my Yadro and my glass pieces over there. So the picture frames and the Longaberger are going in the
somebody
trunk.
abandoned ship, and I don't know.
Where they abandoned
Maybe
ship
it's
from.
that one. But it was that one.
It looks like it matches, right?
It's somewhat close anyhow.
Whatever. Thank you. Yeah, it doesn't sit very well. All right, so any stacking that can be done, we will do. That's going to be the fun one to put in the car.
This is all the jewelry too.
Okay, thank you so much. It abandoned ship twice. All right, so like here, that will not go, but this will. And this basket, hopefully, we can put in here, I hope, yeah. So that way they take up less space, theoretically. Again, there is not an exact science to this. I've just gotta play Tetris with all these little baskets. So let's start putting these in the trunk. And we are going to push them as far back as they will possibly go and stack them as high as we possibly can. This is what we've got so far. There's our biggest Yadro piece, some beautiful glass work. That's Gazzardo, some Murano, some Fenton, and then that's a bag of jewelry. this is over 30 inches long. So these two are the most expensive pieces that I bought. Look at this. This had a $70 price tag on this one. So I got 4 lots of Yadra or Longaberger, and I paid about 100 to 120 per lot for an average of about 10 baskets per lot, which should be pretty profitable. And some of these are worth more than others, of course. All right, so the Longaberger is in the trunk. I'm gonna see if I have any breakables that can sit safely in this box and this box and be protected here in the corner. And then we'll get to the rest.
All right, that is everything.
Yay! Thank you. All right, so I think these are Gazzardo sign. These are absolutely amazing, and I think these will sit in my little boxes, and possibly this Murano Latticino as well. So the little stuff I'm going to try and put in there, and then I've got the back seat as well. So, and actually I think that is a good place for that. Good place for that. Now I do under here have this, and I'm going to go ahead and put this inside, and then we will make sure all that's kind of packed where it can't move. And I got to see what else can fit up here. I've only got this one, and actually this will probably be safer inside that Longaberger basket. So let's see what we might safely be able to put into the trunk. Now, for this, if I can lay it here, and this one, I can put it here. Actually, in that hole, it doesn't have much room to move, so let's see what else. So we definitely can put the jewelry and the shoes. Now, these shoes are Gucci's. They need a little bit of work, but they're still Gucci's. And shoes will not break. Even Gucci ones. This little kitty, which is really cute. This is Brito Sam. is small. And then this vase also on the smaller side. So that vase actually goes inside that Longaberger basket pretty decent. And then we can find somewhere for the kitty to sit that she won't get hurt. Oh, I forgot there was a Murano bowl down there. So let's find somewhere else for the kitty to sit and be safe. Okay. These are pretty cool kind of mid-century modern sculptures. Not marked. That actually sits in there fine. With a little bit of turning, that fits there. And what I'm doing is saving the more expensive stuff for inside of the car. The Yadro, I'm gonna go ahead and open the back seat. I think the rest of this is gonna go in the back seat. I don't think there's anything else I really want to put. Oh, this is actually a nice Russell Wright piece. I didn't. Alright, so let's open this. This is a second piece, which we're not worried that the wood needs to go with it. They're perfect. We'll get the wood base and the other Yadro figurine. I think well, there. Now she's cushioned. Okay, I think we're good within here. This piece, which is like gigantuous, I think can go behind the seat over here. Okay. This is a really pretty Latticino bowl. I'm gonna set that there. And this is a nice Intuit, I believe, sculpture. Jackie Black, it says. And I think tablecloth. I think I can put that to cushion. Perfect. Now this big bowl is absolutely stunning. I didn't realize it was this big. But I'm gonna put this on the front floorboard. So my main thing is gonna be protecting this one that's on the seat here. Okay, so that is strapped in because I don't want that going flying. That one will be fine. It's wedged against the seat. Look at how beautiful this piece is. Stunning. I got everything loaded. The Yadro is in the back seat back there with bubble wrap, a jacket, and a seat belt. And the other one is very securely in the floorboard. Those two pieces are worth about $3,000 to $4,000 each. And yeah, I have plenty of room. All of the Longaberger fit in the trunk. All of the breakables, for the most part, are inside of the car with me kind of nestled. And yeah, I am at the biggest Goodwill I've ever seen, but you're gonna have to wait until next video to see that. So for now, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the haul and loading up with me. I will see you on the next one.